In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring bill in Zoho Books. If you've ever found yourself manually entering the same bill details every week or month, you're going to love this. We'll take a look at how simple it is to set up a recurring billing profile, letting Zoho do the heavy lifting for you. First, you'll want to head over to the Purchases module. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where all your purchase-related activities are centralized, offering a streamlined way to manage your expenses. Once you're there, look for the Recurring Bills section. You'll see a plus icon right next to it, or you might spot a plus new button. Clicking either of these will begin the process of setting up a new recurring bill. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is select the vendor for this bill. Think of the vendor as the company or individual you're regularly paying. Once you've chosen the right vendor, it's time to give your recurring profile a name. This profile name is mainly for your reference, so pick something descriptive that'll remind you what the bill is for whenever you see it. Next comes determining how often this bill should recur. Under the Repeat, every section, you can set the frequency. Whether it's monthly, weekly, or at some other interval, Zoho lets you customize it to fit your needs precisely. Following that, designate a start date and an end date for this recurring schedule. Here you have some flexibility. If this is going to be an ongoing payment indefinitely, you can choose the Never Expires option. From here, it's important to specify your payment terms. This determines when the payment should be made relative to the invoice date, details that are crucial for maintaining a smooth cash flow. You'll now want to add the item details. These can include a description of the item or service, the rate, and the quantity. Inputting accurate details here is crucial, as Zoho Books uses this information to generate the recurring bill each cycle. If applicable, go ahead and add any additional customer details, include shipping charges, or jot down notes that might be important for this recurring bill. These extra details can be quite useful for future reference or for your records. Finally, after everything is set up just the way you want it, go ahead and click Save. By doing so, you're creating the recurring bill profile, which means Zoho will now automatically generate bills according to the schedule you've established. That's it. You've successfully set up a recurring bill in Zoho Books. Now, rather than manually entering this information each time it's due, you can let Zoho handle it, freeing you up to focus on other important parts of your business. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.